بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to science class. Open your book page 33. So today we will do exercise of unit 3. Question number 1 is choose the correct answer. Number 1, plant take in water through this part. A, branches, B, leaves, C, fruit, and D, roots. The correct option is roots. Number 2, which of the following is adapted to live underwater? Options are lion, cow, chicken, and fish. The correct option is D, fish. Number 3, the natural home of an animal or plant is called its. Options are habitat, house, country, and hutch. So the correct option is habitat. To survive, an animal needs a habitat that contains. Options are plants, water, and soil. B, food, water, air, and shelter. C, water and air. D, air, soil, water, and food. The correct option is B, food, water, air, and shelter. Number 5. Which of these is a habitat of camel and cactus? Options are desert, polar region, sea, forests. The correct option is desert. Animal live in desert and cactus is a desert plant. Now question number 2 is fill in the blanks with these words. Number 1, dash and dash lay eggs. So birds and snakes lay eggs. Number 2, a cat gives dash to dash. A cat gives birth to kittens. Plants take in air through tiny holes in their dash. Leaves. Plants take in air through tiny holes in their leaves. Plants do not have dash organs, sense organs. Babies grow into dash adults. Babies grow into adults. Now come to next page. Question number 3 is rearrange the letters to make 3 living and 3 non-living things. These are jumbled words. First you will make a correct words from them and then write which are living thing and which are non-living things. So sunflower, giraffe, and monkey. Now come to next page 35. Question number 7 is are these things living or non-living? How can you tell? Write L for living and NL for non-living in the blank spaces. So ant is living, mushroom is living, clouds are non-living, baby is living, book is non-living, plant is living, snail is living, bag is non-living, cat is living, flag is non-living, clock is non-living. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.